To begin your search, select one or more research databases. Begin with a keyword search, and feel free to use Booleans to connect the ideas that you're looking for. Once you find your result page, feel free to limit and refine your results to find the best articles possible. Always make sure that you've selected full text so that you don't find any abstracts. You can also limit things like the publication date, the language, and the subject. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can specify in the fields what the information you're inputting is. When you've found the article you want, simply click PDF and browse the document. If you would like to look within a certain publication, you can select the Publications tab from the top menu. You can either browse it alphabetically or search for a specific journal or publication. Each listing will indicate whether there is full text available. From here, you can either search for a keyword within this publication or simply read the volume article by article. If you are having trouble finding subject terms, try the Subject Terms or Thesaurus feature. This will help you find the best subject term to elicit results from your search. For example, it will tell you what you used and what better subject term could be used to maximize the number of hits that you find. From this suggestion, you can also begin a search just by clicking the box to the left. Remember that you can always add more search terms and refine your search on the left menu as you go along.